When it comes to the handheld gaming arena, Ayaneo is an absolute fan favorite. Whether it's the OG Ayaneo or Ayaneo Pro, they are quite the capable device for portable gaming. Followed by this, the company behind Ayaneo has announced 3 new Ayaneo consoles that are expected to arrive later this year. In this video, we're going to talk about everything we know about the upcoming Ayaneo consoles to help you decide better. So, without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the Ayaneo 2, this device is expected to be powered by a Ryzen 7 6800U mobile processor with 680M Radeon integrated GPU. This is an RDNA 2 based GPU which is equivalent to a GTX 1050 Ti. Display-wise, it's said to feature a 7-inch OLED screen with a native resolution of 800p. Additional specs might include LPDDR5 RAM at up to 6400 MHz frequency, while we might also get to see PCIe 4.0 storage options. As a lesser alternative to the Ayaneo 2, we have the Neo Geek. It will be available with both Ryzen 7 6800U and Ryzen 5 6600U options. Just like most of the Ayaneo devices, this one will also incorporate a 7-inch screen but with up to 1200p resolution. The company describes this device as ultra narrow, referring to the thin bezel surrounding the screen. Other than that, it's reported to have a joystick motor, gyroscope, and built-in Wi-Fi, unlike the standard Ayaneo handheld. Next up, the company has also teased the Ayaneo Slide. As the name suggests, the screen of this device slides upward and reveals an RGB keypad underneath it. It's quite similar to the GPD Win 3 console and will have a 6-inch screen with a native resolution of 1080p. Specs on this device are more or less similar to the Ayaneo 2. Ayaneo Air is the company's entry-level option that will receive power from an AMD Bercelo APU. The processing power of this chip is slightly lower than that of the other versions that we mentioned earlier, with a price range of about $650. Surprisingly, Ayaneo has claimed that it will still be able to run heavier titles such as Cyberpunk 2077 and Forza Horizon 5 at lower settings. What makes this device stand out is its weight of only 420 grams, making it lightweight compared to the other ones in the lineup. Additional perks include an OLED screen and a slim profile for easier carrying. And lastly, we have the Ayaneo Air Plus, which will be available with both Intel and AMD options. The Intel model will be available with Pentium Gold 8505 and i3-1215U CPUs, whereas the AMD model will be up for grabs with the AMD Mendocino APUs. Screen-wise, it's said to be equipped with a 6-inch display with a native resolution of 1080p. Although there are no updates on the system memory and storage, it will be obtainable at a price point near the $250 mark. So, which of these devices will you be going for? Honestly, that completely depends on your personal preference. Each of the upcoming Ayaneo consoles has a certain twist of its own. Some have greater horsepower while some focus on greater ease of use. We will be dropping more updates on these consoles along with the performance comparison as soon as they hit the shelves. So, that was all about the upcoming Ayaneo consoles. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.